This is not your ordinary pasta. In just 15 minutes, with 5 simple ingredients, you will make noodles better than takeaway. Caramelized spaghetti with homemade chili oil. Sweet onions, creamy sauce, fiery oil. Let's dive in. We start with the basics. Pasta water. Salt it generously and add a touch of oil. And wait till it boils. In goes the spaghetti. Stir now and then so it doesn't stick. It will take about 8 to 10 minutes. Once done, strain and rinse lightly. Set it aside because the real flavor is yet to begin. Now the star, homemade chili oil. Forget bottle stuff. This one is pure flavor and lasts for a month. All you have to do is take a bowl, combine all 3 kinds of chili, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes, 1 tablespoon paprika and 1 tablespoon red chili powder. Add 1 tablespoon salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix it well, combine all the spices and it will make a spice paste for our homemade chili oil. Do you know the chili oil has its own story? It is believed to have originated in China for over 2000 years ago, when chilies were first introduced through trade routes. Today, it's a staple not only in Chinese cooking but also in Korean, Thai, and even Italian kitchens. Next, soak the masala separately. It will include the whole spices like cumin seed, black pepper, cloves, cardamom, star anise, and bay leaf, as well as cinnamon stick. Let them set in the water while we prepare the oil. In a pan, add onions, ginger, dry coriander, coriander leaves, and then add 2 full cups of oil. Let them heat on a low flame. Once it heats, add in the soaked garam masala, but without the water. Let it simmer on low flame for 15 to 20 minutes. Slowly the oil absorbs all the sweet, earthy notes of the masalas or the whole spices. Finally, strain this aromatic oil straight into the chili mixture. Stir well, stir gently, and you have just made the ultimate homemade chili oil. Today, it's a staple not only in Chinese cooking but also in Korean, Thai, and even Italian kitchens. The magic of chili oil isn't just the heat, it's the way hot oil unlocks the aroma of garlic, onions, and spices. That's why a fresh homemade batch tastes so much more alive than bottled ones. Here's a fun tip. Chili oil actually improves with age. The longer it sits, the more the flavor deepens. That's why a jar can last for weeks, becoming richer every single day. Now move to the third step, pasta. The word spaghetti actually comes from the Italian word spago, which means string or twine because of its shape. And here's the fun part. True Italian tradition says pasta water should be as salty as the sea, so the spaghetti is seasoned from the inside out. In a wide pan, add butter and a little oil, then sliced onions. Cook them low and slow, stirring often. After 10 to 15 minutes, they will soften, turn golden, and finally melt into a deep brown sweetness. Did you know spaghetti has been around for more than 1000 years? While most people connect pasta with Italy, there's evidence that long noodle-like dishes were eaten in ancient China as early as 2000 BC. Pasta isn't supposed to be soft and mushy. The perfect spaghetti is always served al dente, which means to the tooth. Halfway through, add chopped garlic so it caramelizes gently with the onions. This smell is pure magic. Once the onions are ready, it's time for creaminess. Pour in fresh cream and half a cup of water. Stir gently until it blends into a silky sauce. Sprinkle in paprika, and add 1 tablespoon of our chili oil for heat. Now add the boiled spaghetti, toss well so every stand gets coated. Then drop in 2 cheese slices, cover the pan and let them melt into the sauce. Once melted, stir everything together and the pasta is all set. This glossy, creamy, spicy and irresistible pasta is better than any takeaway. You can add another spoon of chili oil if you like it hotter. So now you have it. Caramelized spaghetti with chili oil. 5 ingredients, 15 minutes, but packed with flavor that beats any takeaway.